Are you guys hungry? I'm hungry.
Me too.
I don't know how many of you guys like Wendy's Frosties, but I do. And my kids do. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a Wendy's Frosty with these ingredients right here. Some sweetened condensed milk, some Cool Whip, or Cool Whip, however you like to say it, and some chocolate milk. Okay? So, pretty simple, easy stuff. We'll go ahead and we'll get let's just do this. So basically the whole reason why we're doing this is we've got a bunch of dry ice and we want to use this dry ice. And if you have an ice cream maker or whatever, you can use that too. We're going to do this, and then we're going to put it in these Ziploc gallon bags and throw it in that big old chest of ours to freeze this up really quick. Ooh, yummy, 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 huh? Yeah. Okay. Half a gallon of chocolate milk. So that's 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk.
Whoa, it's actually like a layer, look.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
We're pretty close there. It's about. Let's mix that up some.
That's a cool layer. I like it.
You guys getting hungry? How about you guys out there in YouTube land? Oh yeah. Everybody likes a Wendy's Frosty. And a little bit of Cool Whip.
Whip.
Can't help myself. So tasty.
Yeah. Cool Whip. Maybe Cool Whip. Cool Whip.
And with the Cool Whip, you need 8 ounces of that, and that's how much this is. 8 ounces. A root beer float. Want to taste? Oh yeah. All my YouTube friends. Oh yeah. This is the fun part right here, because you know Cool Whip is so light and fluffy. Yeah. We'll slowly mix that in.
Looks like marshmallows. It looks like marshmallows. Yeah, hot chocolate, but with marshmallows on the top. Looks like hot chocolate with marshmallows on it. Sounds like cookies.
Yeah, it sure seems that way, huh?
Mm-hmm. So tasty. Looks like you want to eat it right now. It's so good.
Yeah, the whole reason why we use this is so we could get it to, so we could pour it out easy. Because I don't want to transfer it from another bigger bowl. So you can always make smaller amounts, but I got enough kids. This will be gone in a heartbeat. There it is, guys. Look at that. Doesn't that look like Wendy's Frosty almost? Has that look?
Oh yeah. Just need to freeze it.
Oh yeah.
That looks so good.
Okay.
That looks very good, guys.
Yeah. Okay. We're going to transfer these into these bags here in just a minute. Okay, guys. So we transferred them into our 1 gallon Ziploc bags, and we're going to go put these in our dry ice. And we'll take you out there real quick. 1 minute. Okay, guys. Here's our dry ice and our mixture. Look at that. You can see how quick that reacts. Oh my goodness. We're going to put those in there, and we're going to let them start freezing. We'll come back. We'll play with them in 5 minutes or so and kind of move them around so they start kind of working in, and we keep that kind of ice cream deal going with them. So they'll freeze really quick with this dry ice. So we'll cover them up and let them work some magic. Oh yeah, guys. You can see, man, it's cold, way cold, but it is dang near done. Just trying to manipulate this around a little bit without ripping a hole in my bag. But look how frozen that is. Oh man. Those are 2 cold sacks right there. Oh yeah. Of Wendy's homemade Frosty. Yeah, I like making stuff like that. My kids love it too. Man, that dry ice does it quick. Hasn't even been 15 minutes. But I just kept manipulating it around, flipping it and turning it and squishing it. But that's about as much as I can handle there. So I'll let it just finish off for a few more minutes and take it in, and we'll scoop it out. Okay, guys, so we got some, this is some really frozen Wendy's Frosty stuff. You can see how frozen that is. That's normally more than frozen than what you'd have, but in a few minutes some of that will soften up. I mean, it's already soft. You can see how it's soft. You know, it's almost that weird Play-Doh consistency, but yeah, we're just kind of squishing it up a little bit, and we'll scoop some of this out for the kids to have. But check that out. Tell me that don't look like a Wendy's Frosty right there. Right there. That looks legit. Does that look legit, guys?
Yeah.
That looks like the stuff that dreams are made of, huh?
Oh, that looks like Wendy's ice cream. Yeah. It does.
What do you think, Bugs? Does that look legit?
That's so
It's got some really frozen pieces, so I'll have you start with some of the softer stuff. But anyways, let's see the kids' reactions. Okay, who's gonna take a bite from me first? Show me, Bugs. Well, is that good? Does it, Bud? Yeah? Look at that. Show me, Sparky. Is it good? Yeah? Oh yeah. So unanimously the kids liked it. Mikey likes. For all my friends who are old enough to know that one. Life cereal. Yeah. Is it pretty legit? Oh yeah. How about that for a frozen treat? Well, Mommy and Daddy are gonna have some too. Fun stuff. So that's how you make your own homemade Wendy's Frosty with some dry ice that you might have or you might want to get. And some freezer bags. And that ingredients I read to you earlier. Can't remember it off the top of my head, but you know, chocolate milk, whipped cream, and some sweetened condensed milk. So anyways, thanks for watching with CodesEmpire Unleashed. We'll see you guys next time.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell to get notifications every time we post new videos. Bye. Bye. Make sure you make this ice cream.
Oh yeah. Happy kids.